Hey guys, welcome back to JDMods. Today we are back in the shop working on Ellie, my 1992 Toyota MR2, and today we are going to be tearing down the motor. So in front of me here I have two 3S GTEs. This one is from Kyle's MR2. He's now running the 4th generation 3S GTE, so he didn't need his anymore. And this is the one that was pulled from my car. It's a lot lower mileage, 137,000 kilometers. So we're going to be primarily using it and just pulling parts off of Kyle's motor when we need them. So here's the motor ready to go in the middle of our shop floor. It was quite a struggle moving it there as these motors are really heavy, especially for a 4-cylinder. But we're going to get started tearing it down, starting with the wiring harness. So as you just saw, we got the wiring harness off, and we found that the easiest way to do that was to actually remove the throttle body and intake manifold. Next, we're going to be removing the fuel rail with injectors and the TVIS. So that's the intake side pretty much done, and now I'm going to head over to the exhaust side and see if I can remove the turbo and turbo manifold. So as you just saw, we took off the turbo and turbo manifold, as well as the oil feed line and oil drain line. And now I'm going to remove the distributor. After removing the distributor, we then removed the oil cooler assembly and coolant hard lines. Now I'm going to remove the transmission so that we can put the engine on our engine stand. Now that the transmission is off, I'm going to remove the clutch and flywheel so we can send the flywheel out to get machined. Now that I have the engine on the engine stand, I'm going to go ahead and take off all of the timing components, the water pump, and the oil pump. So after we removed the oil pan, the next thing we did was clean it really well and paint the engine block. We actually filmed a video on the couple different cleaners we tried out to clean the engine block and found out what works best. And that video was uploaded a few days ago, so go check that out on our channel. That concludes today's video. In the next video, I'm going to start rebuilding. I have all of the new parts over here ready to go. So keep your eyes out for that video, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.